Or should I put him in my hand?
Here's a good place. We could fit the rope around here. We could find out something.
What?
So Jack, you can release the
What's
rope.
that? I just saw something jumped over me.
Mommy,
It was massive and green.
Mommy, we could go up there.
Mm-hmm.
We could go up there. Should we go?
Yep.
Jack, I could go up the tree. I know we could go up. I'll go find a good place where we can climb up the tree.